Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Aussie dampened by labor market outlook analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 4F4A 8/13/2020 11:53:57 p.m. AUD Australian dollar. The Australian dollar drifted lower through trade on Thursday, following a dour unemployment print. At first glance, numbers appeared promising, with 114,000 jobs added to the economy and only a marginal uptick in official unemployment levels, but a deep dive into the specifics paints a gloomy picture. Of the jobs added to the economy, over 60% were part-time and suggest a growing underemployment concern. While hours worked are increasing, there is still a large portion of the workforce seeking more, and as COVID-19 hotspots delay the broader reopening of the economy, it is likely we will see depressed labor market numbers through the months ahead, especially as this reporting period has not taken into account Melbourne's Stage 4 lockdown. Having drifted below 0.7150, the AUD touched intraday lows at 0.7135. Attentions remain squarely affixed to U.S. fiscal stimulus negotiations, and after another day without a compromise, concerns a protracted stalemate could leave millions of Americans without benefits began to weigh on the USD. The AUD found support at 0.7130 and has struggled to extend back beyond 0.72 this week. Investors appear content maintaining current ranges ahead of any announcement in government relief. Key movers: the USD fell through trade on Thursday, forced lower against a basket of major counterparts as fiscal stimulus negotiations remain at an impasse. It appears relief packages for the U.S. Postal Service designed to shore up election infrastructure has emerged as a primary sticking point. The Democrats are desperate to shore up mail-in voting avenues, a crucial source of votes in the upcoming November election, while Trump has promised to block any funding that might facilitate mail-in voting. As Democrats and Republicans squabble over partisan differences, there is a growing concern the stalemate will add increasing pressure on consumption patterns and force the U.S. into an even deeper recession. The euro tested 1.18 while the pound pushed back above 1.3050 amid rising hopes for a post-Brexit trade deal. Comments from EU leaders, led by the Irish Prime Minister, suggest there is a common landing zone for trade negotiations. Despite shrinking by a record 20.4% in the 3 months to June 30, sterling remains buoyed by broader USD weakness. Attentions today remain with U.S. lawmakers as markets seek any sign a deal can be struck and government relief issued. Expected ranges: AUD 0.7080, US dollars 0.7240, AUD 0.5980, euros 0.6120, GBP 1.8020, Australian dollars 1.8480, AUD NZD 1.0820, 1.0980, AUD 0.9380, Canadian dollars 0.9520. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.